हाँ बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? बढ़िया। चलो, तो आज से आपके बॉटनी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी। अभी तक जरूरी चल रही थी, अब बॉटनी क्लास स्टार्ट होगी। और बॉटनी क्लास के अंदर हम लोग पहले पढ़ चुके थे मोनेरा। क्या पढ़ चुके थे? मोनेरा। मोनेरा कंप्लीट हो चुका था। इन मोनेरा वी डिस्कस Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Mycoplasma, Cyanobacteria, and Mycobacteria. The five component of the Monera we had discussed earlier in the chapter number 2, classification of the living being. Clear? In the second chapter, we have discussed the different things. Which one? First, we discussed the classification. Second, we discussed the first kingdom Monera, then second kingdom Protista, third kingdom fungi. We have discussed here, and after that, we have discussed the virus and then lichen. Clear? Here, we have discussed today the second kingdom Protista. Clear? You know very well, the Protista are include the all eukaryotic unicellular. Well, Protista include the unicellular eukaryotes. Clear? Here we discuss the kingdom Protista, and these are the Protista members. They are the Eugenia, Amoeba, Paramecium. They are the diatoms. They are the examples. You full screen. Here. Clear? Then we discuss next. In this Protista kingdom, we have discussed some important points according to the NCERT. These points are, we have discussed one by one. Here, all the organisms including the Protista are unicellular eukaryotes. The first one is the unicellular eukaryotes we have discussed. ठीक है? We prepare the notes. आपको notes prepare करना है बेटा आपको. तो कैसे करना है? जो important points हैं. Here, all the organisms including the Protista are known as the unicellular eukaryotes. That's a very important question. Protista cells are eukaryotic with a well-defined nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. Here, second is we have discussed the eukaryotes, which means we have discussed earlier in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic difference. What are the prokaryotic characters? What is the eukaryotic characters? So in here, they are eukaryotes because they are contain well-developed nucleus. It means nuclear membrane present, chromosomes present, well-developed nucleus. Clear? Second one is the cell-bound organelles. Cell-bounded, the membrane-bound organelles are present like mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi body, ER, these rectosomes, these are the present. Third one is ATS type of ribosome present. Which one type? ATS ribosome present. So these are the eukaryotes. But here इसमें भी एक हमारे पास बेटा आगे आएगा when we discuss eukaryotes. Clear? Cell membrane bound organelles are present first. Second, ATS ribosome present. Third, here we are discussing third which type? The NM nuclear membrane present. Fourth, nucleolus present. All are, but here another point, very important point, this the some member of the Protista are the mesokaryotic. Another term is present, mesokaryotic. Clear? And it is a other member. Example is the dinoflagellate. It is the example of the mesokaryotes. Clear? So these are the eukaryotes. First thing. Second, some member of the prokaryotes in a protista are mesokaryotic, where the histone protein absent in their DNA. Clear? DNA is our histone protein. Some member, only some members, but maximum members are contained the well-developed chromosome number. Clear? Next, The reproduction assembled by the fission. Flagella or cilia present the sum of the member of protista. Fission by the formation of the spores. Sexual reproduction by the process involving the fusion and zygote formation. This is a question, very important question for the medical purpose. Which organism on the earth are firstly reproduced by sexually? Firstly reproduced by sexual reproduction, yeah, sexually. Which organ are firstly sexually reproduced on the earth? The answer is the protista member. Because before the protista, the sexual recombination is present in bacteria, but sexual reproduction is absent. Sexual recombination present, but sexual reproduction is absent. We have discussed the sexual recombination. There are three types. Which type? Please tell me answer. अपने कमेंट में फटाफट आंसर लिखिए. The types of the sexual recombination. फटाफट आंसर लिखिए. Types of the sexual recombination. फटाफट बेटा आंसर लिखिए फटाफट. चिराग ने लिखा है बेटा ट्रांसडक्शन. एक अभी आंसर आया है. 3 टाइप्स लिखा है. ईसा गोठवाल 5 टाइप. बेटा 5 टाइप नहीं है, मैंने पूछा है ओनली सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन हाउ मेनी टाइप्स. जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन सेम थिंग. जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन इज हाउ मेनी टाइप्स. द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ द 13 टाइप. पुष्पेंद्र पटेल बेटा. हाँ 3 टाइप्स हो गया. 3 टाइप्स. विच इज द नेम ऑफ द दिस टाइप ऑफ द रिकॉम्बिनेशन. नेम प्लीज. Only 3 type. It is right answer, but name please. संजीवनी. Conjugation बिल्कुल बेटा राइट है. चिराग ने सही आंसर दिया. नेक्स्ट. फटाफट आंसर दीजिए बेटा. एक ही है मेरे पास अभी आंसर. इट इज राइट. इट इज 3 टाइप्स. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन सेकंड आ गया चिराग का. इट इज ही वाज राइटिंग. इज राइटिंग. ट्रांसडक्शन. वैभव का भी आ गया. ठीक है वैभव बंसीवाल. ओके बेटा वेरी गुड. आपको याद तो है बिल्कुल. 3 टाइप ऑफ द सेक्सुअल रिकॉम्बिनेशन और जेनेटिक रिकॉम्बिनेशन. विच टाइप? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ट्रांसडक्शन एंड कॉन्जुगेशन. We have discussed 3 types: the transformation, transduction, and conjugation. So here 3 types of the genetic recombination, but not sexual reproduction. So protista members are the first member on the earth. Those are represent the sexual reproduction. That is a question for the medical exam. Which member या which 4 ऑप्शन दे दिया आपको डायरेक्टली पूछ लिया. डायरेक्टली पूछ लिया which one represent the 3 बैक्टीरिया दे दिया, एक वायरस दे दिया और एक आपको दे दिया protista member. पूछ लिया which one represent the sexual reproduction. Answer is the protista member. Clear? So that is the question. याद रखना बेटा मेडिकल में है. All the single cell eukaryotes are the placed under the protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन है बच्चा मेडिकल का. मेडिकल में लगभग 3 से 4 बार आ चुका है. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ये दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बच्चों. क्या है? हेलो क्या कहा मैंने ये कहा all the unicellular organism, those are eukaryotes, they are included in protista. Clear? But some exception here. For example, we are discussing here a name yeast, chlorella, Chlamydomonas, Monomonas. These are the member, 3 members. There's 3 members are there given in your NCERT book example. These members are unicellular. These members are unicellular, but these members are present in fungi and algae. The yeast is a member of the fungi. We are studying the yeast in the fungi, not in a protista. अभी भी हम ये पढ़ते हैं आपकी NCERT बुक में बेटा. It is not included the protista. Protista में include नहीं है. These are the two members. कौन कौन से? Chlorella and Chlorella both are included in the, किसमें include किया गया इन दोनों को? Both are included this and this are algae, plant kingdom में आ गया बेटा. क्लियर है? ओके, बाउंड्रीज क्लियर नहीं है तो क्या हो गया? विवाद हो गया ना, कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई. कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई. सो क्वेश्चन आए, विच किंगडम रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्रोवर्सी? कौन सा जो हमारे पास किंगडम है जिसमें विवाद है? आंसर क्या हो गया? प्रोटिस्टा. प्रोटिस्टा इज ए, क्या हो गया? कंट्रोवर्सी किंगडम. ठीक है ना. इसमें कंट्रोवर्सी मतलब क्या हो गया? सहमत नहीं है, असहमत लोग बाग. तो अभी तक यही कंडीशन है, इसलिए इसको कहते हैं कंट्रोवर्सी किंगडम. इसलिए ये क्वेश्चन अपने आप में क्वेश्चन है. आगे चलते हैं. मेंबर ऑफ द प्रोटिस्टा आर प्राइमरी एक्वेटिक, जनरली एक्वेटिक होते हैं. दिस किंगडम फॉर्म ए लिंक with the other dealing with the plants, animals and fungi. What the mean of them? मैंने आपको बताया था how the protista is formed. Protista कैसे बना था? Two kingdom classification, then three kingdom classification. A three kingdom classification proposed by the Haeckel. Haeckel ने propose किया था. So due to the presence of this kingdom, all the unicellular from the plantae, from animalia, from fungi, these are included and they are separate from these classes and make this new kingdom known as the Protista. And here in Protista we have discussed the 5: Rhizophyte, Dinoflagellates, Euglenoids, slime molds and the protozoans under the Protista. Clear? ये 5 इसके अंदर include होते हैं बेटा. तो in your book the Protista is classified in the 5 classes. 5 के अंदर बांटा गया इसको. Chrysophytes, Dinoflagellates, Euglenoids, slime molds, and then last one is the Protozoa. We have 5 points, and we are discussed these 5. Clear है? Okay, clear बच्चों? चलें आगे. Next चलते हैं हम लोग. Second thing is here. Mode of the nutrition. It is very important the mode of nutrition. What is the role of the mode of nutrition? Clear? Here I increase the screen. What is the mode of the nutrition, beta? Second question, and here it is the third question. It is the third question. Why third question? It is known as third question because it is very important a question for the medical purpose that the maximum mode of nutrition are represented by which kingdom? Maximum mode of nutrition are represented by which kingdom? Question is maximum mode of reproduction are maximum mode of the nutrition, not reproduction. Nutrition are represented by which kingdom? The answer is the Protista because in Protista member they are represent the 4 type of the nutrition system. Clear? The first one is holophytic or photosynthetic. They synthesize their own food through the photosynthesis.
तो मैंने कहा ना सैंपल पेपर तो हम लोग सेंड करेंगे इसी.
Photosynthetic. Clear? The second one is holozoic, similar to animals. First one is we can say similar to plant. Similar to plants, we can say. Second, holozoic, similar to animals. Clear? Some proteins have the holozoic mode of nutrition which is similar to the animals. And first analysis then digested. हम लोग क्या करते हैं बेटा? पहले खाना खाते हैं फिर पचाते हैं. एनिमल लाइक मीन्स हम लोग क्या करते हैं? पहले खाना खाते हैं. या पहले पचाते हो आप लोग? नहीं, पहले हम खाना खाते हैं. आपने चपाती खाया, कुछ भी खाया, आपके इंटेस्टाइन में गया and your intestines digest them with the help of the some chemicals. तो हेयर हमने पहले इनिशिएशन किया देन डाइजेशन होगा. लेकिन कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं, इंसेक्ट मेनली, ठीक है, दे आर फर्स्ट डाइजेस्ट देन दे आर इंजेक्ट। आपने अगर मक्खी को देखा हो, हाउस फ्लाई को देखा हो, ठीक है, या कुछ इंसेक्ट को देखा होगा आपने, दूसरी चीजों को, यहाँ मैं फंगस की बात करता हूँ, स्लाइमोड्स की बात कर सकता हूँ, मैक्रोफाइटिक होती हैं, दे आर रिलीज सम केमिकल and these chemical are digested this food and they are absorbed, चूस लेती हैं। बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ मैं इसका, फ्लाई का देता हूँ, क्योंकि फ्लाई में ही करती हैं, सूखी चीजें होती हैं बेटा, आप उस पर बताओ कैसे, आप मक्खी क्या क्या मिलेगा खाने को, मिलेगा क्या उसको? अगर शुगर का मेरे पास पार्टिकल है, उसमें मक्खी अगर बैठी है, मक्खी मतलब हाउस फ्लाई अगर बैठी है, तो कैसे खाएगी वो? ड्राई है, लेकिन इट रिलीज सम केमिकल्स बाय देयर माउथ, वो रिलीज करती है, एंड देन दे आर लिक्विड फॉर्म एंड देन दे एब्सॉर्ब दैट थिंग। तो हियर थर्ड वन इज द एब्सॉर्प्टिव। मैंने क्यों कहा, ये एग्जांपल दिया, सम प्रोटिस्ट ऑब्टेन देयर फूड फ्रॉम द डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म, जैसे करते हैं डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है, या डेड ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंस हो सकता है, डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म हो सकता है, इट मींस सैप्रोफिटिक। कैसी होती है ये? सैप्रोफिटिक। मैंने क्या होगा? सैप्रोफिटिक टाइप ऑफ द members, okay, and these protists secrete the some extracellular enzymes. These enzymes that convert complex organic substance into the simple substance. Now these simple substance can be easily absorbed through the body surface. यहाँ body surface टाइम दिया हुआ है, in slime molds, we can say these slime molds, we absorb the food with the body surface and some of the absorb with the particular organs. And last one is the mesotropic, where the both holophytic and saprophytic type of the nutrition present. ठीक है, holophytic and saprophytic may be condition, or we can say here holophytic and कौन सा होगा? holozoic type nutrition, animal like nutrition. Clear? So here a maximum diversity in these type of the, in this kingdom, major diversity of the food nutrition. Clear? ये भी क्वेश्चन आ चुका बच्चों, which one represent the maximum diversity in the which one represent the maximum, which kingdom represent the maximum diversity for the food, for the nutrition, for the food absorption? The answer is protista. Clear है? नेक्स्ट चलते हैं बेटा हम यहाँ पे, नेक्स्ट इज रिप्रोडक्शन। क्लियर? Where we are discussing here reproduction, we can say the protists reproduce asexually and sexually, both asexually and sexually. First we discuss the asexually, same process, asexually, asexual reproduction. The first one is the binary fission, second one is the spore formation, budding. These are the procedure of the asexual reproduction. Here, first one is the binary fission or multiple fission, second spore formation, third one is the budding. Binary fission is the mainly divided by these all the rotor cells. Two rotor cells are formed by the division of the one mother cells. Very simply, it is a single cell. It is divided by the two equal half like this, and they make the two daughter cell like an amoeba. हमने अमीबा पढ़ा बेटा, याद करो. Here, this is known as the binary fission. And the binary fission again two types, the longitudinal, transverse. Here, there are three members we had discussed earlier. In amoeba, the simple type. In Euglena, longitudinal, and in transverse. Clear? We had discussed earlier. In multiple fission in amoeba at the unfavorable conditions. Generally, the binary fission is present in the favorable condition, but multiple fission is present in the unfavorable conditions. Clear? Example is amoeba. Second one is the spore formation. Spore formation means when some member of the protista are develop the spores, and these develop the spore in a particular structure known as the sporangia. Develop a spore in a particular structure known as the sporangium. Sporangia. and spores are formed in this sporangia. Clear? These sporangia burst after some time, and all the spores become free. These spores form a new cell after germination. Example, plasmodium. In favorable condition. Clear? Plasmodium. The plasmodium is a protozoan. Plasmodium क्या बेटा ये? Protozoan. ठीक है? And it develop this condition. Next one is the budding, where Sita, Arcilla, some member of the primitive member of the protista are represent the budding. Clear? Mainly binary fission. ठीक है? Next, sexual reproduction here. The sexual reproduction as was the first seen in the protista. ये देखो ये मैंने लाइन लिखी बेटा यहाँ पे, ये क्वेश्चन है मेडिकल का और मैंने आपको बता दिया. First seen sexual reproduction in protista here. Sexual reproduction was the first of the seen in the protista. In sexual reproduction, two haploid gametes are fused form a diploid zygote. It is known as the syngamy. Syngamy, example Salamivores, it means here two gametes are formed. They may be like this, there, and here gametes, and these two gametes are formed. One is known as the male, one is known as the female. Clear? Here male and female both are present. One is known as the male, one is known as the female, like this. It is a male and a female, and then make a zygote. They fuse together like this, and then make a zygote, and this zygote is 2n. This is zygote beta. It is n, haploid होगा, ये भी n होगा, fusion होगा, that is the fusion, yes, syngamy, and then make the zygote. It is the diploid always. बच्चों याद रखना हमेशा, zygote is always diploid, gametes is always haploid, and the zygote is always diploid. ये याद रखना यूजुअल फैक्ट है. क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पर? Gametes are haploid always. जब भी gametes का नाम आएगा haploid होंगे, and the zygote is diploid. Zygote is always, हमेशा क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Diploid होगा. ठीक है? So zygotes form. Clear? But on the basis of the type of the gametes, the reproduction with 3 types. On the basis of the gametes, मैंने कहा ना, syngamy is of the 3 types. यहाँ लिख सकते हो आप, on the basis of gametes. On the basis of the gametes, they are the 3 types. क्या है? 3 types का है. कौन कौन सा बेटा यहाँ पे? अगर हम बात करें which type, तो फर्स्ट हम बात करते हैं isogamy. Very simply, iso. और the meaning of the iso, iso means identical या similar. Iso means similar या identical. When both the gametes are identical to each other, that is known as the isogamy. Both are similar, that is known as the isogamy. Clear है? In isogamy, the fusion of the gametes are morphologically similar. Morphology कैसे होंगे? Similar होंगे, तो लिखा हुआ है. Shape, size, structure similar, but physiologically they may be changed. Functionally and genetically they may be similar or may be dissimilar. When the fusion of these gamete process is known as the anisogamy. Isogamy is known as the process known as the physiological anisogamy or isogamy, known as the isogamy or physiological anisogamy. दोनों चीज ध्यान रखना बेटा. यहाँ पे याद रखना मैंने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर, क्योंकि कंफ्यूज हो गए आप, इस वर्ड को पढ़कर कंफ्यूज हो गए, इसलिए याद रखना यहाँ पर मैंने क्या कहा, इस डेफिनेशन ढंग से पढ़ना. आइसोगेमी दोनों ही कंडीशन है, बाहर से देखने में कैसा है, दोनों एक जैसे हैं, बट दे में बी फिजियोलॉजिकल चेंजेस. तो मैंने क्या कहा? फिजियोलॉजिकली डिसिमिलर, morphologically similar, physiologically dissimilar, then known as the physiological anisogamy.